finally get the chance to do this video. So this is a video where I'll be talking about the BSc4 augmented program that is offered at the University of KwaZulu Natal. Hello there, my name is Mahle Hope Mngoma and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what is an extended program? So this is a program whereby it is if the mainstream people do their degree in 3 years, yours is extended, hence the name extended program, to 4 years. This program, one of the things that it helps with is to help accommodate students from disadvantaged high schools, right? Because it's them saying, we understand that you could not reach or achieve the APS that we need, right, for the mainstream. We understand that you could not achieve that APS because of the limited resources. So in order for us to try and accommodate you, let's create a program, right, to help you still get into university, still receive your qualification. But in this case, we are going to extend the program, right? If it was 4 years for the mainstream, it's going to be 5 years for you. If it was 3 years for the mainstream, it's going to be 4 years for you, right? And this will also ensure that you have enough time to sort of adapt to how things now are done in university, right? So basically, your first year will be done in over 2 years instead of 1 year, right? For example, in BSc, everybody, extended program, mainstream, everybody does these 4 modules, which is chemistry, there is biology, there's physics, and there's maths, right? So for the mainstream people, they do it in 6 months, right? Every module they do it in 6 months. But for an extended program, as I said, that your first year is extended to be done in 2 years. So you'll do your first semester modules in 2 semesters instead of 1. The other modules which you would have done in second semester of first year, you will then do in the following year, right, which is year 2. Hope I'm making sense, right? Then after that, when you then go into third year, right, and your 4th year, right, you then have the opportunity to choose. Okay, so now you've done all of the basics, the foundation, right? Do you now want to continue or finish your degree in you choosing 2 majors, right, or you want to choose a focused program, right? Okay, so here are some of the focus programs that they offer, just for you to have an idea of what I mean when I say focus program. There is applied chemistry, there's applied physics, chemistry and chemical technology, there's computer science and information technology, there is environmental earth science, there is environmental science, there's geographic information systems and earth observation. Okay, I don't want to get into any focus program. Maybe none of the focus programs cater to what you want to do with your degree, because there's like agricultural science, there's computer science, all of those things, right? But you want to major in biochemistry and microbiology. You also have the opportunity to finish your degree by choosing majors, right? It can be any 2 majors as long as the timetable permits, right? So you'll be given a timetable, which, okay, so you can see which you can't choose, for example, chemistry and biochemistry because they clash, right? In terms of our lectures, right? Maybe at 8 o'clock on Monday, we have a chemistry lecture, but we also have a biochemistry lecture. So obviously you can't choose those majors, but as long as the timetable allows, you can choose a major, right? And then after that, you will then join the mainstream people and finish your degree. And Nakhona, they will then be transferring you from the access program to the mainstream. That means that you will no longer be recognized as an access program student. So right? You'll just be like other students, right? Because even the qualification will no longer say BSc4. It will not say BS, for example, if you're choosing to major in modules, two majors that fall under the life and earth sciences, it will say BS right? You get me? Which means, yeah, your degree is just as valid as someone who started from mainstream, who did finish their degree in 3 years, and who finish while you finish your degree in 4 years, right? Another thing is, can you also transfer to other colleges or other faculties should you choose to, right? So you need to first finish your foundation modules. That is, you need to first finish all your first year modules, right? So that would mean you can consider transferring into another college. For example, if you want to do medicine, you can even consider transferring into another college after you have done all your first year modules. That is, during year 2, right, of your academic year. Only then you can consider applying for an internal transfer, which would then mean in your year 3, right, you would then, should they accept you, transfer into another faculty. Now the thing is, a BSc is very broad, right? It's very, very broad. So from the get-go, from year 1, you need to start planning. Actually, I would say ideally, before you even get into a BSc, you should know what you want to do with it, because right, it's up to you what you want to do with it, because it might not be an ideal qualification for someone else. It's not an ideal qualification for someone who doesn't have a plan for it, because of how broad it is. If you have any questions, please let us engage on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.